arrived in Austria like, what is it, like 5 days ago? Yeah, 5 days ago. And yeah, we've been skiing for 4 days now. And yeah, I haven't filmed much because yeah, it's hard for me to film in the slopes because I'm here with my mom and my girlfriend, and they are not the most talented filmmakers, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, it's been fun skiing all day, coming home, doing some work. And yeah, believe me or not, I have never been to the Alps, but I love skiing. As a kid, I skied all day, every single day in the winter in Finland, and I just love skiing, but I have never been to the Alps. And for me, it's so nice to be here finally. And yeah, the slopes are a bit slushy because the weather is quite warm here in the spring, so I think it's like 17 degrees, like 15 to 17 degrees Celsius in the city, and then like 10 degrees in the slopes. So it's pretty nice, and the sun has been shining. Today I just want to show you basically how I film with this Osmo Pocket 3, because that's the only camera that I brought with me. So I just want to show you guys that it's possible to also film high quality content with a small camera like this. So I'm going to show you how I film and create a reel, and you're going to see that the results is actually pretty crazy with this small of a camera. I have my girlfriend filming the behind the scenes on my phone, so you guys can see, but the Osmo is up there. What I love about it is it's so small, so you can basically put it anywhere, and especially like with a Gorilla Pod, you can literally like put it anywhere that you want. So yeah, it's awesome while traveling. And yeah, so let's take a shot. Like, look at this camera setup. I have a Gorilla Pod, attached it to a chair, and yeah, now it's a pretty good tripod right here. When I'm filming in a new location and filming by myself, a few things that I look for is like, what are unique angles in the room that I can use and film? And yeah, with the Osmo Pocket, everything is very easy. So now I'm trying to do a like POV shot of me working on the laptop. So all I gotta do is put this thing into my mouth, and it's so small, so I can do it, because I wouldn't be able to do this with the Sony FX3, for example. So yeah, let's take this shot. Pretty cool, right?
Morning lights, new dawn, yeah, we ready for more. Breaking out newborns, driven by the allure. Facing life head on, blowing fresh at the door. No limits,
That's pretty much it. That's how I film myself while I'm traveling and with the Osmo Pocket 3. And you can just see, like, you can get some really cool shots with this camera. And no, I'm not sponsored, but I just love this camera. So yeah, now it's time to do some work and then go on a walk. Future Robin here. I'm actually editing the video right now, and I forgot to mention that if you like this how I film myself, I actually have a free school community that teaches everything about content creation and how to grow your audience, and how I grew my audience to 96k followers on Instagram. So everything about content creation and monetizing your brand. So check the link down in the description and join my free school community. It's completely free, no hidden cost or anything. So join the free school community down below. And with that being said, let's jump back into the video.
captivating the scene. True life, my time, liberating my dreams. Every challenge that I'm seeking to meet, I'm overcoming, steady grinding, keep my beat to the street. I keep my mind thinking wise, hoping better to keep.
The most amazing thing of like working online and working for yourself is that you can work from wherever you want. The only thing you need is a laptop and Wi-Fi. And it's pretty crazy for me that like a year ago I was working a 9 to 5, and now I'm here. I'm able to work from Austria, from the Alps, while skiing in the day, working in the evening. And yeah, it's just crazy for me. So